Eva and I just got back home. She is sleeping. Our new home, you can't really see it, it's out there. So we got a lot to talk about. It's been a long time since I've done a video. We just had, you know, just like everybody else. So, you know, so I can't stand when people say, oh, we've had so much going on, been so busy. Everybody's so busy. Everybody's got so much going on. You make time for what you want to make time for. And I've just been drained. I just making videos, and you know, this is a hobby for me. It's just something I love. I just love sharing DIYs and home designs and our little house videos with you guys, but I've been tired. So now that all of these exciting things have unfolded, now that our closings are completed and official, I can finally start to share again, or I can finally start to post again like I love to do and like I did previously. So in this video, you're going to be seeing what's been going on with us. Yes, we moved away from the house that was across the street from my parents. So we built 7 years ago, and we moved to our dream farmhouse and property, only about 25-30 minutes away from where we were and from town. So we're super excited. I can't wait to share this with you guys. Before we flip over to the new house and we do a full walkthrough of that, I wanted to give you a brief walkthrough of the house that we are leaving. This is our little modern city farmhouse. When we built this house 7 years ago, we gave it a little bit of a farmhouse flair, and I just loved how my dad was able to bring every little detail to life. If you are new here, then you may not know, 7 years ago, we built a house right across the street from my parents on a lot that they owned. And my dad has flipped and built homes my entire life, so he did a majority of the work, along with allowing me to create and develop all of my own plans. And I just really loved this house because it was a chance for me to kind of put those creative design parts to myself to work, and to see what I like, what I didn't like. And we did a lot of trial and error in this home. There's Matt coming home. Okay, y'all, we're here at our new farmhouse. So I wanted to give y'all an empty house tour before everything gets crazy, and I wanted to make a little video. So, Jack, say hey. Hey, Jack. Hey, Jack. Okay, so let's start outside. This is if you're looking from the house to the end of our driveway. So way out there is the end of the driveway where we pull in off the road. And this strip right here is a strip of cedar trees. It goes all the way back past the house, but that is not our property line. So we actually also own this pasture on the other side of it. The people that purchased it before us, they said that that is why they called this Cedar Lane Farm, which we're not sure if we're gonna keep that name or give it a new one, but it's just really neat. And behind, way out there in that corner, I don't want to walk out there right now, but I'll show y'all later, there is a pergola with some muscadine grapes on it. So I'm happy about that because, well, happy. I know nothing about gardening or anything like that and planting, so hopefully those grapes will be able to flourish on their own. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to really look into how to do that. But this is a little pen that they had. This is where one of their pigs stayed, and then in this field, or this pasture right here, is where their cows were. And down there, if you can see that little black thing right now, that is actually an entrance, a big gate over there where you can get into the pasture. So that's really nice. So here is the house from, I'll go back to the driveway so before it opens up. So this is what the house is looking like, and we do have septic, so that's what this big hump is right here. And all of that all the way over to, there's a little common road back there that all the neighbors use, because we do have neighbors that are way behind us past the woods. So this common road, everybody just kind of uses it, but that is where our property line is, over there, and then over there past one of those trees, and it goes straight back, and we get some of those woods, and we have that big old pond back there. But let's go back to the front of the house. So the house is kind of plain Jane right now. There's not a lot to her, but I'm going to be adding some, well, first I'm going to be taking out this little tree right here so we can open it up, and we're going to take out this tree because it blocks the view from the road. But I'm going to add some shutters and paint the door a pretty color. And then this is the garage, and above the garage is our master bedroom. So they have this paper walkway, but we're going to be ripping all this up and doing all new landscaping. And I'm going to go get us some rocking chairs soon so we can have them out here. But it's going to look so nice once we get the shutters in. And I love how all of the windows go almost to the ground. That is amazing. So this is a storage closet. This is a little bathroom, just a little half bath we have down here. Where's that? Look at the wallpaper and the fixtures and this. I absolutely love this. I won't be changing anything in this bathroom. I just think it's so adorable, so quaint. And this is actually wallpaper. It's so great because I'm gonna have to find out where she got that from, because I'm gonna want to do that in another bathroom upstairs. But hi. So look at these lights. I love them. I just love all that brass and how she did it with these cool like light blues and the whites. And see, even the paper, or the toilet paper holder, that's brass as well. I think it just looks great with the floors. So I never thought that I would love these kind of floors, but I do. They are just enough to where they're not red, I guess. They don't have that real strong oaky look to them. This is the living room area. There's shiplap on all of the walls. All of the windows are like that where they go down to the ground. Very farmhouse-ish. So this is a faux fireplace, just like we had at our house. I thought that was so funny because I'd never really seen one before, but they basically just got this mantle and they did the exact same thing we did with the board that you can get from Lowe's, and they built that back there and painted it. And so I'm going to probably do that all the way up the wall, and I might paint this. I don't know. Matt absolutely hates this thing. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with it yet, but we'll see. So this will probably be my coffee bar until I build one. This fridge area, and I've never had anything that had the range on it. So you can see it has no backsplash at all on here. Very plain, but just enough in here where we can come in and do whatever we want and make it look nice and gorgeous. I love her choice of light fixtures, the woman that we bought the house from, because she kept that. And this was a bench that she had custom made. And so we are going to keep this in the space for now, but I am gonna revamp this whole area. It's just, I love how it's just a clean slate. They did just enough or they left just enough. I'm sure that when they had the house that it was absolutely gorgeous, but when we bought it and when we saw it for the first time, it was already empty. So I have no idea what it looked like when she had it all decorated and had her stuff in here, but I'm sure it was gorgeous because she has great taste. Look at this sink. So this is a custom marble sink that they had put in here. And just look at this view that we have. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So out there, that is the pond, way back there. And last night when we were here, there was some deer tracks, fresh deer tracks right here. So it looks like they're coming in from behind us. They're coming off the main road because that's a tree farm over there. So they're cutting across and going back into our woods. But I'm so anxious to see them. He's never done this. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Look, yay! Yay! Come on. He's like, what is this? What is happening right now? He's still a puppy. He's only 5 months old, so all this is new to him. Yesterday, he jumped in the pond for the first time and he almost drowned. So this is going to be one of the bedrooms, and I love it. These were custom built-ins that they had done, and I love them because they do provide a lot of storage, but they're custom. Okay, get this. These are custom made, but they were not custom made for this house. They were custom made for another house, and the woman purchased it from that house she said that when they put it in here, it was before they put this banister up. So that is how they actually got it in here. So I'm like, okay, we will never be able to take it out of here ever. But not that I want to, because look, for it to have not been made for this house, look how absolutely perfect it fits in this area. And she said they actually carpeted around it. So we can't move it, because if we ever did, there would be no carpet right there. Okay, look at that, y'all. What? That little tree farm out there, that little tree farm at the end of the driveway, that's what that field is. I think I already said that, but that's what the field is. And that is where the sun comes up. So I cannot wait until I can see my first sunrise. And I'll show y'all. So this is a little linen closet, and this is the bathroom. Jack, come here, baby. Bathroom's so cute. I'm gonna just change this mirror out. This is a great room right here. So this is gonna be our guest room / closet / let Eva play in here with her. I love how it has 3 windows in here, so the lighting is chef's kiss. Okay, next let's go to the master. And so this is the master, and let me turn the lights. This is the bathroom. So it's not the best lighting in here, but we are going to be adding some can lights in here, and then eventually, so this is the shower for right now. And eventually we were going to be putting a new shower in here, but for now it's perfect because we could either shower in here or in that bathroom. But this one's perfect, doesn't need anything else. they added this in here after the home was built, and it's right now being used as like a storage area. But that is another door for attic access. So I think we're just gonna take this whole thing out just to give us a little bit more room. I'm thinking about putting like a dresser right here. I think it would be like a little skinny dresser. But no matter what, I'm definitely putting a mirror like right here because this lighting, okay. And look at the view that we get in the morning. Oh my gosh, just absolutely love it. I just love it so much.